The Hunter Valley in New South Wales has a rich history of coal mining, starting in the 1900s. Open-cut mining has been continuously conducted at the Mount Arthur coal site since the 1960s, with operations moving from the Bayswater 3 area to the Mount Arthur North lease in 2002. Mount Arthur Coal is proud to be one of the oldest mining complexes in the Hunter Valley, with current operations successfully conducted close to the township of Muswellbrook. We are currently seeking approval for underground mining within the Bayswater 3 and adjacent exploration lease areas. Mount Arthur Coal is owned by BHP Billiton, a global business that has a commitment to the environment and the communities that it works in. As part of the government approval process, and in conjunction with the community, a series of specialist studies are undertaken to understand the potential impacts of underground mining in the area. If the project is approved by the government, the new underground mine will be established using our extensive mining experience and proven technology. The underground mining process is made up of exploration, development mining, longwall mining, coal processing, and mine rehabilitation, with safety a priority throughout. The mine hopes to produce up to 8 million tonnes per annum, will employ about 250 people, and will be predominantly located under Mount Arthur coal-owned land that's mostly used for grazing. The underground mine would be located 7 kilometres from the township of Muswellbrook. This new mine would use existing infrastructure with minor upgrades, such as the rail loading facilities and the coal preparation plant. Where possible, new infrastructure will be screened from view by locating it in the open cut void and on previously disturbed ground within the Bayswater No. 3 area. Some works are conducted around the high walls to ensure stability and safety prior to access. The viability of the mine will be assessed via an exploration tunnel, often referred to as an adit, prior to the full project commitment. If this proves successful, mine development will continue along the open-cut high wall. In preparation for longwall mining, gate roads are excavated in the coal seam by a continuous miner. The roof of the roadways is made safe with steel bolts and mesh. The coal from the continuous miner is loaded onto a waiting shuttle car, which transports it to a conveyor belt leading out to the surface. Roads are separated by sections of coal called coal pillars. Located between these are miner services, like lunchrooms and first aid facilities. These roads and pillars define a 4 to 5 kilometre long rectangular block of coal called a longwall panel. Underground mining can now begin, and road development continues in other areas of the mine, further down the high wall. The longwall is made up of a shearer mounted on a steel conveyor that moves along the coal face and hydraulic chocks that support the roof to ensure the crew can work safely. As the shearer gradually cuts the coal from the face of the wall, the hydraulic roof supports are advanced and the roof behind is allowed to collapse. This cycle continues and the face retreats until all the coal is removed between each set of pillars. It takes between 1 and 2 years to complete mining a single longwall panel. The longwall system is then moved to the next panel where road development has been prepared. A series of conveyors transport the coal to the surface and then onto the processing facilities where it is washed, stockpiled and blended. Coal from the underground will be processed for the export market. Each longwall panel has the potential to create a shallow depression on the surface that grows gradually as the mining face progresses underground. This process is called subsidence. Most subsidence will occur on grazing land owned by Mount Arthur Coal, over 7 kilometres away from the town, and avoids the Hunter River and Sadler's Creek. All the effects of subsidence will be managed by grading and revegetation to minimise any impacts and are much less noticeable on rolling topography than flatter areas. Mount Arthur Coal is committed to zero harm, committed to providing operations where people work free of injury and illness and are trained to make safe decisions at all times. Consistent with our current approach, the project is being developed in close consultation with the local community and the state and federal governments. Mount Arthur Coal communicates with an open and transparent approach and is heavily involved in the local region, supporting a wide range of community activities and events. Mount Arthur Coal, building a stronger business for a stronger community.